guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and having a lovely weekend. My name's Amanda if you're new here, and today guys I have a B&M haul for you. So I popped into B&M. I've seen some really lovely storage that they brought into store and I'm in need of it, guys. I've also got one item from the Aldi middle aisle to show you that's absolutely amazing. I just thought I'd add it to this haul, and also one item that I picked up in the charity shop over the weekend as well. If you'd like to see what I picked up in B&M, Aldi and the charity shop, please keep watching. Okay, so the first item I picked up in B&M was this acrylic multi-purpose vanity caddy, they call it. So I've actually got this. It's a 3-tier caddy. I've got this. I thought this would be absolutely perfect to store my essential oils on. I've got so many essential oils and I just got them in like a little basket. I did have a box for them, but there wasn't enough space to keep them all in the box. So this is going to be absolutely perfect to keep my essential oils on. I've just taken a couple of my oils just to show you what I mean. So I'm going to have them all on the stand like so I can see which ones they are as well. I can reach them easily, you know, just pull one out when I need it. If I need a lavender, I can just take it without having to rummage through the box, if you get what I mean. It's really nifty and affordable storage that B&M had brought into store quite recently, and I'm just so happy that I was able to get my hands on one of these. So this came in at £3. It's a 3-tier stand, so you can even put like your cosmetics on there, you know, some hand cream or some facial serum, you know, that kind of thing, nail polishes, whatever you like that can fit on here. You know, I just find this really nifty and clever storage. So yes, I've got that £3 in B&M. So I also picked up another one of these clear ribbed containers. I absolutely love this. Now I've actually got this to put into my wardrobe. I know the clear storage can be a little bit hit and miss because you can see all your clutter, but the fact that this is a ribbed one, it kind of discards what you have in there. And to be fair, I'm decluttering, so there's not going to be that much in here. I'm not going to jam pack it with a whole load of stuff that I don't need. It's going to be useful items that's going to be going in this container. So they have these in different sizes in B&M. I've actually got one of these already. I did try to put it in my fridge and it didn't actually fit into my fridge. So I've actually got 2 of these now that I can actually use in my cupboard and make better use of them. So yeah, so these came in at £4. The size of it is 23.9 centimeters by 16.9 centimeters by 15.9 centimeters approximately. Now I'm telling you the size because I know some people's fridge or the storage space that you want to put this in, and you might have to measure it up, you know. So yes, I've got that. That's £4 in B&M. Okay, so more storage from B&M. I picked up one of these. Now this is your mop and broom wall clip. Now I'm in need of one of these for our downstairs cloakroom. Now we don't have a utility room, so I'm having to put our broom and the mop into our downstairs cloakroom. It's absolutely fine there, but I do need some kind of solution to hold the mop and the broom up. You know, they're always falling down the side of the wall, and the side of the wall is getting scratched by the broom handle. So I thought this would be really handy. Now this holds up to a maximum weight of 5 kilograms. It's self-adhesive, but I think I'm actually going to screw them to the wall rather than just rely on the self-adhesive thing. Or I might use the self-adhesive thing, see how I get on with it. I think this is going to be a complete game changer to take the broom and the mop off of the floor and have that floor space. So this came in at £3.50, and yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with this. Okay, if any of you have got one of these, do let me know in the comments, because I'm only seeing these things quite recently. Okay, now I haven't really seen anything like this before, so I thought, yeah, give it a try, and if it does work, it's going to be a complete game changer. So I've got that as well. So I also picked up this basic cupboard and fridge organizer. This is really to go inside my fridge just to hold some grapes. You know, like when you get the grapes, they come in that plastic container. I like to wash them all off and then store them in another container. So I think this is going to be absolutely perfect for the grapes because it's got like perforated sides, and the grapes are still gonna, the fruits are still gonna get air, you know, but still keeping fresh as well. So these caddies can be used for a multiple of usage. On the picture here, they put like their herbs and spices in there, you know, herb jars and so on, but you can put anything in here really, you know. And the fact that it's got a handle, I just find that really useful. I can just put this into the fridge, take out the grapes, you know, even wash them again, you know, once they've been in the fridge, wash them again because they've got the perforated sides. and this is also BPA free. This came in at £1.50. So next up guys, I'm in need of a new frying pan. I needed a smaller frying pan. I've got a large one when we're doing like a big family meal, but I needed one just for when I'm at home, like having lunch, you know, just to do like a little egg or to do mushrooms, just a small frying pan. So I did check out the ones in IKEA. I nearly did buy one in IKEA, but I wasn't sure about the size. So I came home, gone to B&M, and I found this one in there. So this one came in at £4. It's a 9-inch frying pan, non-stick coating, carbon steel. It also comes with this free spatula as well. I thought it was quite good for £4. So yeah, I haven't actually purchased any kind of cookware from B&M before, so I'll let you know how I get on with this. Or if any of you guys again have got one of these, do let me know how you got on with it, because it's going to be my first time trying cookware from B&M. But it's a frying pan, a basic frying pan, can't really go wrong. £4, so I got that as well. So I picked up another one of these bathroom trays, these wooden bathroom trays. Now the reason why I've got this, I've actually picked up one item from the charity shop and I had it in my bag on the way to B&M, and I was thinking I really need something to rest this item on, and I'm thinking I've got one of these at home already, but I'm using it for something else, but this will be absolutely perfect to use for the item I'm going to show you in a second that I picked up in the charity shop, which is absolutely gorgeous. So these wooden trays in B&M, they've got different sizes. They've got this size, which I think is the larger one, which came in at £4. They've also got a smaller one, which is like £3.50. And so I'll show you the item in a second that I got from the charity shop, and it will all make sense in a second, okay? So yeah, so that's £4. I also picked up a candle in B&M. Now I've been after this candle for a little while. Every time I go into B&M, they're always out of stock, and I know why they're always out of stock, because this candle smells absolutely insane. It is gorgeous, guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I would normally get the Escape wax melts, which has the mandarin, lemon and the pink grapefruit, and I do like a wax melt, but I'm kind of going off them because I just don't really have time for the wax melt, to be fair. I just want a candle that I can just light and then out it and then put the lid on, you know, simple as that. So B&M have now, well, I don't know if they've started to do this quite recently, but I did actually see this on Ellie Polly's video. She swears by this candle, and again, I can see why. It smells absolutely gorgeous. You guys know that I'm a fan of anything citrusy. I find that the citrusy scents just bring so much like warmth and freshness and cleanness throughout the house. I mean, even with the lid off of this, it smells absolutely stunning. So yes, I picked that up, and that's £4 in B&M, okay? And like I said, you can get the wax melts that goes with this, okay? So the next item I'm going to show you is the item that I got from Aldi's middle aisle. I picked this up in Aldi this morning. Now, I didn't even see this in the Aldi catalogue. I'll normally browse for the Aldi catalogue throughout the week and see what's coming in new. I didn't see this, and guys, there was about 2 of these left in my local Aldi, okay? And I'm gonna show you, it's absolutely gorgeous. And it's this, guys. Now this is the Kirkton House cake stand with dome, and as you can see, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now it's not glass, it's acrylic. Now I have actually got something like this in glass, what I picked up in IKEA, but we hardly use it because it's glass, you know. Like, we would use it and then just put it away. So it's on top of my kitchen cupboard at the minute, collecting dust, you know, where as this I will get more use of it because it's actually acrylic, you know. So this is a 3-piece set, and it's also BPA free, so you can use it like this and have, like, you know, you can put like nuts or some crisps and have a like dip in the middle there, you know, or you can just turn it around like that, have your cake on top of there, and then you can cover it like so with the cover. This came in at £9 in Aldi, and yeah, we're going to get a lot of use out of this because during the summer months, you know, we're going to be hosting, we're going to be doing barbecues and all that. You know, we've got the King's Carnation coming up. I'm not sure what we got planned for that, but we got like a few family birthdays around that time as well. So for sure, we're all going to be gathering and doing lots of fun family stuff, which I'm so excited for. And yeah, I actually got a surprise. I actually got a surprise today from a family member that has arrived in the UK today. So yeah, definitely going to get so much use out of this. Absolutely love that. That was the one item that I got from the Aldi's middle aisle. Now the next item I'm going to show you, I'm just stretching over to get it. I picked this up in the Salvation Army charity shop, and it's this beautiful cookie jar. Now I've actually washed it already. I've given it like a good rinse with some vinegar and some washing up liquid, and it's come up trumps, guys. It's come up absolutely gleaming, absolutely gorgeous. Now I've actually got a few of these jars, but not this size. Now can you see how big it is? It's nearly as big as my head. It is huge. I got this for £4 in the charity shop, and I just absolutely love it. Lovely cookie jar. Sorry if you can hear like screaming children. Oakley's having fun outside playing with the neighbours. So yeah, that's what all that screaming is about. So I'm just letting him do that. Hubby's downstairs as well, talking to the neighbour and all of that. So yeah, it's like, it's that kind of day. The sun's starting to come out now, so they're all out having chats on the doorstep and all that lovely neighbourly vibe. You're going back to this beautiful jar. Now, I got this for £4 in the Salvation Army charity shop. So the plate, that wooden bamboo plate that I showed you from B&M, that is why I picked this up, was for that. So I actually had this in my bag on the way to B&M, and I was thinking, yes, I need to get one of those plates because that will be absolutely perfect for the vibe that I'm going for. So I'm just going to place it on there like so. And can you see, guys, it's already transformed this into something really lovely. I know this is glass, and I talked about the cake stand being acrylic, and I much prefer it being acrylic. This is going to be like tucked away. I might not even use it as a cookie jar. I don't even know. I might just use it as a vase, because I'm going to take the lid off. Oh, so with the lid off, guys, it looks like something that you will find in the White Company as a vase. You know, that lovely round neck and this gorgeous rib design. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I can actually use it as a jar or cookie jar, or I can just use it as a vase. And on the wooden plate, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? I think this is a vibe. I definitely think this is a vibe. I'm really going towards like natural tones, lots of wood. You know, my living room, I've dotted little bits of wood around. You know, I've changed the dining table placemats to the seagrass ones, and using lots of natural fibre around the house. And it gives it so much warmth as well, you know, I find. But yeah, I think this is absolutely beautiful on this stand as well. So yeah, that's the whole point of me getting the stand. So you get what I mean, guys? Yeah, so I'm so happy to get this vase as well from, or this jar I should say, from the charity shop. So guys, that was the last item from my B&M haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you on board. Love to have you join my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and have a great week ahead. Bye.